As I soar above the stunning landscapes of Spain, it's impossible not to be captivated by the architectural wonders that the horizon. From the historic beauty of the Alhambra to the modern marvels of Barcelona's Sagrada Familia, Spain's construction industry stands as a testament to innovation and creativity. Today, we delve into the heart of this dynamic sector, where a rising trend is reshaping the way buildings are designed and constructed. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is revolutionizing the industry by enabling precise digital representations of structures, streamlining workflows, and enhancing collaboration among stakeholders. At the forefront of this transformation is FDM Global, a powerhouse in BIM solutions that is shaping the future of construction in Spain and beyond. Their expertise and cutting-edge technologies are driving efficiency, sustainability, and excellence in every project they undertake. Joining us is an industry expert who sheds light on the significance of BIM in Spain's construction landscape. Their insights reveal how this technology is not just a tool but a game changer, paving the way for smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable building practices. From the bustling streets of Madrid to the serene coastlines of Valencia, construction projects across Spain are embracing BIM to elevate their designs and construction processes. FDM Global's impact is evident in every structure they touch, showcasing a commitment to excellence and innovation that sets them apart in the industry. As we witness the evolution of Spain's construction sector, one thing is clear: the future is bright, and FDM Global is leading the way. If you're looking to elevate your construction projects with cutting-edge BIM solutions, contact FDM Global today and embark on a journey towards a more efficient, sustainable, and visionary future in construction.